Hello, welcome to our channel where we share scientific innovations. Please don't forget to like the video. Foods spreading from Turkish cuisine to the world. Abstract. Turkish cuisine is not based on a race. It is one of the world's richest cuisine in terms of cooking techniques, material diversity and basic titles, which feed on the brotherhood of cultures in a geography stretching from the Yellow Sea to the Americas. The main purpose of this study is to emphasize the importance of the Turkish cuisine and culture on the emergence and spread of the products mentioned here to the world. This study asks the question, what are the foods that spread from Turkish cuisine to the world? For this purpose, scientific articles, theses, symposium proceedings, travelogues, books and magazines were examined. After a wide literature review, yogurt, yufka, baklava, döner, manti, pastirma, tel kadayif, coffee, lohuk, Turkish delight, sherbet, sütlaç, and gulas, which are known and mentioned most in international literature and cuisines, were chosen for a deeper research. The study has been limited to these products and with the documents published in English and Turkish. This research plans to provide information about the history of these products, some of which are disputed about their origin, such as yogurt, baklava, döner, manti, and pastirma. You can access the entire article from the link I left in the description. Please subscribe and like the video.